This is the storm. I don't know how much you could see. It's really bad, the wind. It's been like this pretty much since like 8 p.m. last night. Hello, good morning. I actually just woke up. Welcome to the vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog today, but ooh, my hair. But just in case, let's film an intro. It's been a snowstorm. Yes, starting on Sunday. It's Tuesday now. It's snowing all day yesterday. I mean, it's kind of silly. It doesn't look that bad now, but yesterday it was like so windy. It's like a tundra. Maybe I could go outside. I don't know. Ooh.
Slippy's World.
I hate it. Oh, also, this is my phone, and look at this cute phone charm. All right, let's get ready. Oh, there's Timothy. I'm late, as you can see. Okay, I'm alive. I washed my face, brushed my teeth, put in my contacts, and I'm just going to make some coffee, and then we're gonna work out. Okay, if you guys remember, this is the coffee machine that I got from Target. It's so cute and small. We're gonna brew now. Okay, this is my living room setup. That's my little like office table. In order for me to have space to work out, because as you guys can see, there's literally no open space, I have to rearrange this whole area in the morning. So I'm gonna do that now. Oh, these are 2 books that I'm reading. I've read most of this before, and then this I just got, a Lydia Davis book, and I'm really enjoying it, but I'm really slow and just trying to get back into reading. Okay, again, this is the setup. There are some people on YouTube that I like. Tasha Franken is one of them. Chloe Ting is another one. And then I also have a SkyTing subscription. They have some good classes and some are like less than 10 minutes. I really enjoy those. Okay, I just showered. This is what I'm wearing today. I already said I don't have style, so we don't have to address that. But I'm just wearing a long sleeve braided shirt. I got these pants that I'm literally obsessed with. They're randomly Outdoor Voices, and they're those types of pants that could be a short in the summer or a capri. Where's the zipper? I mean, you guys get the gist of it. It's a capri. I mean, the capri. I tried it out. It looks kind of funny. But I think I'm going to go outside later, maybe to run an errand. So I feel like these are good snow pants. I got to get ready now because I'm always late these days. My morning setup. So I have this ice roller that I got it for Christmas from Corey. Shout out Corey. It just helps with the puffiness. If you've watched the vlog before, you know that I struggle from a very puffy face. So I have here pomegranates. This is my work setup, just in case you're curious. Coffee here, laptop, monitor, my phone. Somehow I have 2 mice because I'm obsessed. Well, I can't use any other mouse for some reason. This is my vlog camera stuff. It's kind of unorganized. This is my little workstation. This is funny. I have literally AirPods Pro, the noise cancelling one, regular AirPods, and then these I've been using a lot, the Bose noise cancelling. I don't know. I think I'm probably gonna go deaf because I just do that all the time. My pens, more pens. I can only use Muji pens. My nails are funny, right? They are like cha-cha matcha colored. Anyways, this is my planner. This is like my personal one. As you can see, I have like a checklist every day. I'm not that good. And then I just do all my to-dos for the week, vlog stuff that I want to do. Yeah. So that's my personal one. And then here is my work notebook. I love this. This is so cute. Again, more stickers, excuse me, that I got from Camille. My to-dos and my notes. So I'm gonna start a new page today. Lunch break. It's snowing again. I don't know if you can see it. It's not that bad. It's definitely not as bad as yesterday, which is so good. Lunch is some bread, and we're gonna make a sandwich. Okay, sandwich setup. Let's go. We have Munster cheese. I love Munster. Black Forest ham. I don't like ham that much, but I love ham in like a sandwich. I just started incorporating this into my routine. Pork and beef pepperoni. Mayo, I love Kewpie, obviously. And then I also love pepperoncinis. One thing that some people might not know about me is I'm actually so good at making sandwiches. And the reason is because when I was in university, my first job was working at a cafeteria. It was called By George Cafe. I thought it was like a cute cafe where you make coffee, but it was a cafeteria. But anyways, as part of my time there for 2 years, I worked the sandwich line, so I'm really good at that. This is the final product. I'm gonna eat now. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. If I ever thought I could seem cooler for having a vlog, this is definitely over with this outfit. I'm wearing a heat tech turtleneck. I love Uniqlo. Here's my turtleneck. I'm wearing this really big pink eye sweatshirt and then this marmot jacket, which is so warm. I used to wear it all the time, but I realized I look like a blob, but I mean, I guess I still look like a blob, but we're gonna go outside, so I have to stay warm. I'm wearing this beanie, which is a very odd look for me, because I don't really know, but it's cold outside, so I want to be warm. I don't know. Oh my god. The first time I'm going out in 24 hours. I don't know the last time that that's happened to me. That's nice. It's so good. I look ridiculous and I'm really overheating in this outfit. I am going to meet up with a surprise guest to the vlog and then I'm going to drop off my packages. I literally don't remember the last time I've not left my house in one day. So I'm really happy to be outside and walking on the streets again. Look at how tall that is. Surprise guest today. None other than Travis. What a beautiful day to vlog. Welcome to the vlog. You are. I don't look like myself. I don't know how to dress. I thought you were someone else. I know, right? It's so annoying. Welcome. Okay, what else do you want to say? Any other updates to the vlog?
What else do I want to say?
Yeah. You know, every second counts.
No,
is this the impact you want to have?
A lot of, I mean, yeah, I don't know what to say to your millions and millions of viewers.
Okay. Tips for staying at home during a blizzard.
Don't be like Sandy, and stockpile goods such as food, but also toilet paper.
Yes. Oh god, we had to walk on this. Hold on. Travis, what did you say?
Oh, toilet paper. Wine, obviously.
Off we go.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, I went to the packing store and I mailed my 3 packages. Now my backpack is empty. It's one of my pet peeves, like when you have a lot in your backpack and then you don't, and it's just like there's nothing in it. It feels so stupid. I have to go back now to my house and I'm gonna take a call, so gotta hustle. This is me testing one to see what I look like. Oh, hopefully I'm on mute. Oh, thank God, I'm on mute. Okay, bye. Ladies and gentlemen, the sun has gone down and it is time for some wine.
Hey guys, it's me, Andrea, Sandy's only friend. I'm here. I trudged all the way here in this blizzard because Sandy told me she would make me dinner. She never makes me dinner.
That's not true.
One time she made me crunchy rice. But it wasn't like Nobu crunchy rice.
It wasn't meant to be crunchy.
Yeah, it was unintentionally crunchy, but we still ate a lot of it. Okay, there's the kale. Okay, guys. Dinner served.
Oh, I am such a chef. Hi, vlog. What do I look like Lord Farquaad or whatever from Shrek. I'm going to bed. Oh my god, I'm tired. I'm going to bed now. Look how moisturized and clean my skin looks. I might vlog tomorrow too and just do a 2-in-1. I never know how the footage is gonna go, but I'm gonna go to bed now. Alright, good night. This is my outfit. It's very toasty in here because I'm sitting above the radiator, like my desk is above it. So I'm wearing my Crocs. Love these socks from Come See. Shout out Come See. These boxers, also love, also Come See. This shirt I've worn on the vlog so many times. And then this shirt is Ralph Lauren from Hillary. Shout out Hillary. That's all. Let's have a beautiful day today. The end. I honestly forgot I was vlogging. I'm going outside again. Wearing the same sweatshirt I wore yesterday. Changed to my hiking pants, my Doc Martens, and a hat. This is a quite odd outfit, but let's go outside. Here we are. Guess who it is? This is the status. Wait, this is cute. Stand there. I'll take a picture. We're gonna do double camera. Okay, how's your snow days? How have your snow days? Ah! How have your snow days been?
Great! I love winter so much.
Any tips on
The vlog,
staying?
on sarcasm.
Any
Tips on what? Staying warm?
staying
Staying what?
staying sane during a blizzard?
Snacks.
Oh, did someone just throw that at us? Oh, I think it's from the tree. Oh god, hold on 1 second. I definitely look better today than yesterday. Yesterday was so wild. Where should we go? Oh my gosh. Yeah, we can go.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, no worries. Sorry for vlogging. Sorry for vlogging, world. Okay, we're gonna go get a coffee, I guess. Deuces.
Coffee. Should we get iced coffee vlog?
I actually really feel like an iced coffee.
Well, only time will tell.
Okie
Time
dokie.
at the vlog. Catch us back for the reveal. Hot or ice? Take your guesses now.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I feel like it would just be like this.
Maybe I should have asked for honey.
Did you get it? New York City. Beautiful.
She got a warm coffee.
Chai latte.
I got a chai latte too randomly. I just copied you. Here we are in Fort Greene Park. It's a beautiful day. There are a lot of children outside. That's all. The ground is like just snow. Look at what she got. So cute. Sorry, my camera worked. Look at the gross snow in the back. Well done. You want to make a TikTok?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? 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 They tryna be crazy. Yeah, they tryna be crazy. Yeah, she wanna be cutty.
Okay, just got back from a little walk. I literally was making a TikTok and then I looked at the time and I was late to a call. So I finished the call thankfully, but back to work we go. I don't know if never mind, okay.